Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Binal and I am back with another Diwali decoration video. So if you have not watched part 1 video, then go and watch that also after this video. So in today's video, I have shown some DIYs that are turned so beautiful and they all are my favorites. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, then give a big thumbs up, subscribe it, press the bell notification and share it with your friends and family. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get started. So our first DIY is this Kundan Diya. To make this DIY, you need any old CD and some colorful stones, kundan or rhinestones, and just we have to add them layer by layer. Close-up pictures of all DIYs are given in my blog, so if you want to recreate them, you can go and check it out. The link will be given in the description, and if you recreate any of them, you can share with me on my Instagram ID. Just place the diya and our colorful kundan diya is ready. So our second DIY is this door toran. To make this, I have taken this border. The border is according to my door size. So now we will need some colorful stones, beads, pom-pom, thread and needle, and some these types of kundan stones, and we have to tie them like so. Now start adding colorful beads one by one. So our latkan is ready. Now at the border we have to stitch them. So we have to make 7 latkans and we have to stitch them in this way. To decorate the border, I am going to stick mirror stones and some colorful stones. So there is some little bit gap, so I am going to stick some kundan stones. And our toran is ready to hang in the door. So our third DIY is pot candle. To make this you will need pot. So I have already done base coat of white acrylic color, so I am going to color it with red and blue. So here I am going to paint red to this spot and blue to another one using 10 number brush. I have painted both of them and it's dry, so now we will need some mirror stones to decorate it, and I am going to stick it using Fevibond. So now take golden glitter on a paper and take Fevicol, apply it on the upper side, and if you don't have glitter you can use golden color to color the upper side of pot, but you have glitter, you have to apply the Fevicol properly and we have to just dip it into the glitter. So I have done same with another one also. So now you will need wax. So this is the wax you will get from local market, and we have to melt them by using double boiling process. Once it's melt, pour it immediately in the pot and place the stick so that our wick will not move. Pour it on another pot and place the stick. We have to leave it for 24 hours to dry, so it's dry completely, and yeah, it is ready to light up in the desk. So yeah, that was some Diwali DIYs. Go and watch part 1 also and comment down that which one was your favorite and what you are going to make. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye. Happy Diwali.